हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं SCQP26 के पेपर कोड के बारे में। दैट इज़ योर सोशल साइंस का एग्जाम फॉर सॉइल एंड वाटर कंजर्वेशन। सबसे पहले पेपर कोड जरूर याद रख लेना। एंड सेकेंडली मैं आपको पहले सिलेबस शो करने वाली हूँ कि आपका पूरे पेपर का सिलेबस क्या रहने वाला है, किस टाइप के जनरली क्वेश्चन बनेंगे वो हम देखने वाले हैं। टोटल हम 50 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs आज के इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं विद द आंसर्स एंड विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन। ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन करवाने वाली हूँ और आंसर्स करवाने वाली हूँ, नॉट द एक्सप्लेनेशन। आप वीडियो को पॉज करके खुद भी रीड कर सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज इन द context of hydrological cycle, which of the following processes primarily returns water from the surface back into the atmosphere? And that will be your evaporation. इवेपोरेशन एक प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें वाटर जो है वो रिटर्न होता है फ्रॉम अर्थ सरफेस इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर, प्राइमरली फ्रॉम द बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉइल सरफेसेस. व्हाट डज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यूनिट हाइड्रोग्राफ refers to in hydrology? And that will be your the hydrography obtained from a unit depth of rainfall over a given area. Then you have which of the following is not a method of controlling water erosion in agricultural land? And that will be your subsurface drainage. Then we have is which theory is used for the design of canals based on the relationship between velocity and discharge? And that will be your Laissez theory. Then we have is in the context of soil water, which of the following represents the water available to the plants? And that will be your capillary water. कैपिलरी वाटर जो है ये वाटर है जो कि हेल्ड होते हैं इन द सॉइल्स माइक्रोपोर्स विच इज अवेलेबल टू प्लांट्स फॉर अपटेक. देन वी हैव व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग अ centrifugal pump in irrigation system? And that will be your a simple construction and maintenance. Then we have is which of the following soil moisture measurement methods is based on the use of electrical resistance to determine soil water content? And that will be your resistance blocks. Then we have is what is the primary cause of stream bank erosion? And that will be your vegetation loss and human activities. Then we have is the performance होती है of an irrigation pump is most significantly influenced by which factor? जो परफॉर्मेंस होती है जनरली इरिगेशन पंप की वो जनरली किस फैक्टर की वजह से जो है इन्फ्लुएंस होती है? डेट इज द पंप डिजाइन एंड द सिलेक्शन. देन वी हैव इज इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ ड्रेनेज इन engineering, which of the following is a key factor in determining the hydraulic conductivity of soil? And that will be your soil texture. Then we have is what is the primary objective of contour cultivation as a water erosion control measure? And that will be the to reduce the water runoff and the soil loss. Then we have is which of the following is the significant limitation of the rational method of predicting the peak runoff? So you have the four options here, and the correct answer here will be it assumes uniform rainfall distribution. Then we have is okay. So, in wind erosion control, which of the following methods is commonly used to stabilize sand dunes? And the correct answer for this will be your चार options है और जो correct answer होगा that will be your afforestation. Then we have is afforestation or the planting trees or vegetation. ये key method है stabilize करना sand dunes को and prevent करना wind erosion को by reducing the velocity of wind and holding the soil in the place. Next we have is what is the main function of submersible pump in irrigation systems? And the correct answer here will be to pump water from the deep wells. Then you have is which of the following is the main limitation of the use of solar pumps in irrigation? And that will be your limited energy during the cloudy or raining periods. Then we have is the efficiency of an irrigation system can be primarily affected by which of the following factors? So चार options है और इसका जो correct answer हो जाएगा that will be your irrigation scheduling. Then we have is also remember irrigation scheduling जो ये refer करता है to determine when and how much water to apply significantly affects the efficiency of an irrigation system in terms of water conservation and crop yield. Then we have is what is the primary purpose of drainage coefficient in social drainage system? And that will be here to determine the rate of water table decline. Then we have is which of the following is a common method for the drainage of salt affected areas? And that will be your subsurface drainage systems. Then we have is, which of the following is the primary benefit of surface drainage in agricultural land? That will be your control of excess water and prevention of water logging. Then we have is, which of the following is not an essential factor when designing a canal system? And that will be your color of the soil. Then next question we have is, which of the following factors primarily controls the soil infiltration rate? एंड चार ऑप्शन है जो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सॉइल टेक्सचर एंड द स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ वी हैव इज, जो क्रिटिकल डेप्थ है ऑफ अ वेल इन ग्राउंड वाटर हाइड्रोलॉजी रेफर्स टू व्हाट? सो किस चीज़ को रेफर करता है? दैट इज द डेप्थ बियॉन्ड विच वेल एफिशिएंसी डिक्रीजेस शार्पली. Then we have is, which of the following equations is most commonly used in the calculation of runoff potential in small watersheds? And that will be your rational method. Then we have is, in the context of water erosion, which of the following is the least effective erosion control method? And that will be your wind breaks. Now we have is, which of the following methods is most effective in predicting peak runoff in areas with highly irregular rainfall patterns? And that will be your SCS-CN method, जो कि सॉइल कंजर्वेशन सर्विस कर्व नंबर मेथड. ये स्पेशली इफेक्टिव होता है फॉर प्रिडिक्टिंग द रन ऑफ इन एरियाज विद हाईली वेरिएबल और इरेगुलर रेनफॉल पैटर्न्स, taking into account land use, soil type, and cover. Then you have is, which factor is most crucial for the long-term sustainability of the irrigation system? And that will be your irrigation efficiency. Then you have is, which of the following is the best method for evaluating soil permeability in situ? So that will be your falling head permeability test. Then we have is, which of the following is the most likely to cause the highest level of soil compaction majorly? And that will be your excessive use of heavy machinery on wet soil. Then we have is, which of the following evaluations is used to determine the design capacity of drainage system in agricultural land? And that will be a Darcy's law. Then we have is, which of the following conditions is least likely to be associated with wind erosion? And that will be your high soil moisture content. Next we have is, which of the following is a common limitation of using centrifugal pumps in irrigation system for deep wells? And that will be your low water discharge at high depth. Next we have is, in terms of groundwater hydrology, which of the following phenomena describes the rapid decline of the water table near a well due to over extraction? That will be your cone of depression. Next we have is, a cone of depression जो है generally form करता है around a well when groundwater is being pumped faster then it can replenish, causing a localized decline in the water table. Then we have is, what is the primary limitation of using a GIS and remote sensing of groundwater exploration? GIS की तो full form पता होनी चाहिए आपको, आपने 12th तक पढ़ी भी होगी. And the second thing is consider that is the lack of detailed ground truthing information. Then we have is, which of the following is not a function of the strainer in a well assembly for tube wells? And that will be your to increase the groundwater flow rate. Then we have the application of the rotational method is limited to which type of watershed? And that will be your small urbanized watershed. Next we have is now, okay. So next we have is here is, what is the purpose of gravel pack around the well screen in tube well engineering? So the options will be, or the correct answer will be here is, to enhance water flow into the well. Next we have is, which of the following is the most accurate method for determining the water holding capacity of a soil sample? And that will be your water retention curve. So the next question now we have is, which of the following soil management practices is most likely to increase the risk of wind erosion? So कौन सी soil management practice होगी जो कि generally increase करेगी risk of wind erosion? And that will be your excessive plowing or the soil disturbance. Then we have is, जो एक performance होती है of water conveyance system is most dependent on which of the following factors? And that will be your diameter of the pipes and or canals. Next we have is, which of the following best defines hydraulic conductivity? And that will be your the ability of soil to transmit water and air. Then we have is in wind erosion control, the primary function of windbreaks is to. So primary function क्या होता है windbreaks का? So that will be your चार options है और जो correct answer होगा that will be your break the force of the wind and reduce soil movement. Then we have is which of the following is an essential factor in the design of subsurface drains for agricultural land, and जो correct answer होगा that will be your soil permeability. Next we have is in the context of canal design, जो critical velocity होती है is defined as the velocity at which. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर ये जो लास्ट के 15 क्वेश्चन होंगे 35 से लिया 36 से लेके 50 तक बहुत क्रूशल क्वेश्चन है आपके पेपर के लिए, तो इनको जरूर पढ़ लेना. एंड इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा दैट विल बी योर द फ्लो बिगिंस टू कॉज सेडिमेंट transport. Then we have is next question now, which of the following is the most efficient method of irrigation in areas with high water scarcity, and that will be your drip irrigation. जो कि जो water जो directly to the drip irrigation delivers the water directly to the root zone of plants, minimizing the evaporation and runoff and maximizing its most effective method in the water scarce areas. Then we have is what is the primary advantage of using a submersible pumps over centrifugal pumps for irrigation, and that will be your ability to pump water from deep wells. Then we have is in the context of groundwater hydrology, which of the following best describes the process of well interference in aquifers, and that will be your the impact of multiple wells causing a decrease in the water table over time due to excessive extraction. Next we have is which of the following soil properties has the most significant influence on the rate of water infiltration in the soil profile under the steady state conditions, and the correct answer here will be soil practices, size, distribution, texture. Then we have is in soil and water conservation engineering, which method is most effective for reducing the surface runoff in steeply sloped terrains, and that will be your contour bundling and terracing. Then we have is question number 49, which are the following methods for estimating the soil moisture retention curves involves direct measurement of soil's water content एट वेरियस प्रेशर्स. तो इसका आपको पर्टिकुलर आंसर जो है कमेंट्स में खुद बताना है, इसका आंसर मैं शो नहीं करने वाली हूँ. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज इन ग्राउंड वाटर मॉडलिंग द ट्रांजिएंट फ्लो दैट इज द कंडीशन रेफर्स टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिनेरियोज, एंड इसका आंसर भी आपको कमेंट्स में खुद देना है आफ्टर रीडिंग द 4 ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट इज द स्टेडी स्टेट फ्लो वेयर द वाटर लेवल्स आर कांस्टेंट ओवर टाइम. सेकंड, flow condition where the velocity of water flow is constant but the variable over time. Then a situation where groundwater levels change due to the fluctuating recharge and discharge rates. And the fourth pointer is flow that occurs only in the confined aquifers with constant recharge rates. So with this we are ending this video here. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आपका कौन कौन से आंसर्स रहेंगे फॉर द 49 एंड द 50 क्वेश्चन. ऑल्सो अगर आपको किसी और पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है तो उसके लिए आप कमेंट्स में मुझे बता सकते हैं. आई विल हेल्प यू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम. तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, स्टे पॉजिटिव, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.